Welcome back to Rare Oakleys. We got another pair of very awesome Tour de France hand-painted OEM Splatter radars. We're going to unofficially unbox these, but before we do, make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Hit that like button, give us a thumbs up, and of course, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss a future episode of Rare Oakleys. Also, make sure you check out our other videos. Guys, we have a ton of great content, a ton of exclusive content, and also make sure you check out my book. If you haven't checked it out yet, do not miss out. This book will inspire you. It will motivate you. It is packed with tips and tricks on how to save money, and it's a great and fun and entertaining read. Links are going to be below in the description. Do not miss out on this. And also, do not miss out on Texitcoin. I put money into it. My wife put money into it. I put even more money into it, and our friends put money into it. So this is an up-and-coming coin, cryptocurrency, by the way. And also, I must note, I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm not even giving financial advice. But I am saying you should definitely check out Texitcoin. There's going to be 2 links below in the description for this. One is going to be Texitcoin's official website, which will answer most of your questions. Second link will be my personal referral link. So if you do decide to put money into it, I would appreciate it if you would use my link, because yes, I get credit for that at least until tentatively February, March of 2026. So definitely check it out. The sooner you do put money into it, the better off you're going to be if you decide to put money into it. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not giving financial advice, but I've already put money into it. So that'll tell you all you need to know. All right, let's check out these Splatter radars. Now, again, these were never available to the general public. I happened to get a hold of a guy somewhere. Well, I believe he was in Europe. He was on eBay. I bought a boatload of hand-painted radars, Splatter radars from him. This happens to be one of my favorite pair. I call it the Splatter Blue to Black Fade, although technically there are no splatters on the frame, but we're going to check this out. Come on in. And by the way, this is not the official box because these were never an official release and they never came with a box. Again, never available to the general public. Fortunately, we were able to get our hands on these. I really, really liked the Splatter radars a lot. And if you do have the vintage cases or the older cases, the older reinforced nylon ballistic cases, make sure when you grab these little plastic tabs, actually grab them near the inside, because I've broken a few of them already. This plastic, unfortunately, tends to become brittle over time, and it's easy to crack that. So grab them by the inside here, like I am, to preserve the actual tag or tab, plastic tab there, plastic pull tab. Wow, this thing is, you know what? Wow, look at that. It's kind of hard to open. What happened there? I don't know. Something must have got caught in the zipper. All right. So we have these a little bit shrouded in mystery for the excitement effect, right? But again, blue to black fade. And actually, it's kind of a light blue. You can see kind of a sky blue here. Nice fade there. It's a nice transition. Sky blue icons. I believe that's sky blue, something like that. Now, Sapphire would have looked great in here, but as far as I can remember, the Sapphire lenses were not available. I don't ever think they made Sapphire lenses for the original radars. They did make them, of course, for the Radarlock, but these, of course, are the original radars. And black ear socks and nose piece. I completed these with a set of ice lenses, which it may be a little bit difficult to tell. Hopefully we can, yeah, I guess you can see that there. Ice lenses to complete these. Black iridium or black polarized iridium would have looked great in here too. But this is one of my favorite color combos. I'm not going to try these on. I've already tried on radars. You guys know how radars look, right? I don't want to try on every pair, but we'll give you guys a quick close-up before we end the video. Again, never available to the general public. One of my all-time favorites. You know, it would have been nice if they would have had some black splatters on the brow here. I think that would have been nice, but it is what it is, right? Still a nice pair. Still a rare pair. Still a pair that very few people have the opportunity to see. And this pair has never been worn. It's only ever been on display. So hopefully you guys enjoy these. Stay tuned for more Splatter radars as well as other rarities. As always, thank you guys for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing. Do not forget to hit that bell icon, and we will see you next time on Rare Oakleys.